Hi, I'm Nikolai, Product Manager for our Power Tools here at Walter, and in today's demonstration, we're going to be using our Walter Excavator XX grinding wheel paired with our brand new brushless angle grinder to blend the weld seams and bevel the inner edges of a large H-beam section of structural steel. Here, the goal is to shape a clean bevel on the inner edge of the part as efficiently as possible. To do so, I will be using the grinding wheel around a 25-degree angle to create the bevel to do it as efficiently as possible, and then lower the angle to about 15 degrees to blend the weld in and give it a nice smooth transition. As we saw, the Excavator XX shaped a smooth surface with ease. The removal rate was fast, it generated minimal heat, low vibrations, and provided an even wheel wear.